Welcome back. Glad you could stop by. Today, we're digging into 11 incredible open source projects that you need to know about.
SWE-AF is a Python-based project that autonomous software engineering fleet of AI agendas for production-grade PRS on agent field plan, code, test, and ship. Pronounced SWE.EAF, one word, one API call, full engineering team shipped code.
One API call spins up a full autonomous engineering team, product managers, architects, coders, reviewers, testers that scopes, builds, adapts, and ships complex software end-to-end. Starts.sw.-AF is a first step to. This project focuses on agent factory, agent field, agentic AI, AI agents, AI factory, providing developers with specialized tools and capabilities in these areas. Built with Python, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate SWE-AF into their workflows to improve their testing strategies and code quality. Check out SWE-AF if you're working in this space.
Skills is a JavaScript-based project that a collection of AI agent skills for working with Expo projects and Expo application services. Official AI agent skills from the Expo team for building, deploying, and debugging robust Expo apps. Add the Marketplace plugin, Marketplace Add Expo Skills. Install a plugin, plugin install Expo App Design plugin, install Upgrading Expo plugin, install Expo Deployment. Install from GitHub 1. OpenC built with JavaScript, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance.
Developers can integrate skills into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. Check out Skills if you're working in this space.
If you're finding these tools useful, please subscribe for more open source discoveries.
Giggles is a TypeScript-based project that batteries an included React framework for building terminal apps. Built on Ink, it handles focus, input routing, screen navigation, and theming out of the box, so you can skip the plumbing and build. Each component owns its keys, a text input, inside a list, inside a panel, all work independent. This project focuses on CLI, Ink, 2U, providing developers with specialized tools and capabilities in these areas. Built with TypeScript, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate Giggles into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. Check out Giggles if you're working in this space. Clairo is a TypeScript-based project that TUI for Jira and GitHub. An opinionated dashboard TUI for GitHub PRS, Jira tickets, and daily logs.
GitHub dashboard, configure and switch between remotes. View open PRs with status, reviews, and checks. See full PR details with description, labels, and assignees. Create new PRs from the terminal. Browse all PRs across the repo. Built with TypeScript, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate Clairo into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. Check out Clairo if you're working in this space.
Ink is a TypeScript-based project that React for interactive command line apps. React for CLIs. Build and test your CLI output using components. Ink provides the same component-based UI building experience that React offers in the browser, but for command line apps. If you are already familiar with React, you already know Ink. Since Ink is a React renderer, all features of read. This project focuses on CLI, command line, Flexbox, interactive, JavaScript, providing developers with specialized tools and capabilities in these areas. Built with TypeScript, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate Ink into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. Ink is worth exploring for your next project.
Yoga is a C-safe-based project. But Yoga is an embeddable layout engine targeting web standards. Yoga is an embeddable and performant Flexbox layout engine with bindings for multiple languages. Yoga's main implementation targets C20 with accompanying build logic in CMake. A wrapper is provided to build the main library and run unit tests. Many of Yoga's tests are automatically generated. Using built with C, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate Yoga into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. Yoga is worth exploring for your next project.
Hoppscotch is a TypeScript-based project that open source API development ecosystem. hoppscotch.io. Offline on-prem cloud web desktop CLI. Open Source API. Offline on-prem cloud web.io. Open Source API development ecosystem. Built with by contributors. Lightweight. Crafted with minimalistic UI design. Fast. Send requests and get responses in real time. HTTP methods. Request methods define this project. Focuses on API, API client, API REST, API testing, developer tools, providing developers with specialized tools and capabilities in these areas. Built with TypeScript, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate Hoppscotch into their workflows to build high-performance APIs and back-end services. Hoppscotch is worth exploring for your next project.
OpenSandbox is a Python-based project. But OpenSandbox is a general-purpose sandbox platform for AI applications, offering multi-language sandbox, easy pacings, and Docker Kubernetes runtimes for scenarios like coding agents, GUI agents, agent evaluation, AI code execution, and RL training. OpenSandbox is a general-purpose sandbox platform for AI applications, offering multi-language sandbox, easy pacings, and Docker Kubernetes runtimes for scenarios like coding agents, GUI agents, agent evaluation, AI code execution, and RL training. Multi-language SDKs provide sandbox SDKs in AI. AI agent, AI infra, Kubernetes, sandbox, providing developers with specialized tools and capabilities in these areas. Built with Python, it leverages the language strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate OpenSandbox into their workflows to build high-performance APIs and backend services. OpenSandbox is worth exploring for your next project.
React-Native-Vibe-Code-sdk is a TypeScript-based project that the React-Native-Vibe-Code SDK lets you build text-to-mobile web apps in seconds. Try cloud version at https://react-native-vibe-code.com. The first open-source IDE that creates mobile apps with AI. Build React Native and Expo applications through natural language.
Front-end, Next.js 14, Shadsen UI, Tailwind CSS, Mobile React Native, Expo AI, Anthropic Cloud Vibe Cloud, Zaya Cloud Code, Sandboxing E2B and Dataowner SDK for secure code execution. Data built with TypeScript. It leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance.
Developers can integrate React-Native-Vibe-Code SDK into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. Check out React-Native-Vibe-Code SDK if you're working in this space.
Codebuff is a TypeScript-based project that generates code from the terminal. Codebuff is an open-source AI coding assistant that edits your codebase through natural language instructions. Instead of using one model for everything, it coordinates specialized agents that work together to understand your project and make precise changes. Codebuff beats Claude Code at 61 versus 53. Built with TypeScript, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver robust performance. Developers can integrate Codebuff into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. Check out Codebuff if you're working in this space.
CLI is a Rust-based project that Google Workspace CLI. One command line tool for Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Sheets, Docs, Shoots, Admin, and more. Dynamically built from Google Discovery Service. Includes AI agent skills, Drive, Gmail, Calendar, and every Workspace API. 0 boilerplate.
Structured JSON output. 40 agent skills included. Important. Temporarily disabling non-collaborator pull requests. See this discussion. http://htth.com. Google Workspace CLI discussions. 249. This is not an officially support. This project focuses on agent skills, AI agent, automation, CLI, Discovery API, providing developers with specialized tools and capabilities in these areas. Built with Rust, it leverages the language's strengths to deliver reliable performance. Developers can integrate CLI into their workflows to solve complex technical challenges more efficiently. CLI is worth exploring for your next project.
Rivet actors are a serverless primitive for stateful workloads. Each actor has built-in state, storage, workflows, scheduling, and WebSockets, everything needed to build the next generation of software. Rivet actors provide a unique actor-based model with co-located in-memory state and compute.
This enables instant reads and writes, along with automatic persistence, scaling, and real-time communication. Developers can use Rivet actors to build a wide range of applications, from AI agents and collaborative documents to per-tenant databases and chat rooms.
Rivet scales from a single developer machine to millions of users, with options to self-host, user-managed service, or run on serverless infrastructure.